Today I'm at my favorite pharmacy, which I am a customer member with a card, discount card. Okay, this is the door. I don't want to go in. I just signed myself as for SOP. And today I'm going to buy the oximeter to measure the oxygen level in your blood. Shut up. There's a pilak kid who come and kacau me taking video. Idiotic. And I'm waiting for her to bring the oximeter. Just around 100 plus. Very cheap. Now I'm complete. I have everything. A weight balance, blood pressure meter. What do I got? I have also a diabetic sugar level meter. And now this is the last I'm gonna buy. An oximeter, which you just push your finger and measure the oxygen in your blood. So I just turned my office, my home office into a hospital. Ya, pakai balon ko. Ha? Laku tadi. I am at my favorite Pidung Kahang Cafe, close to my house. Want to eat some kway teow. You can hear the voice of the proprietor in the distance. But actually, I want to do an unboxing of my new toy. It's called an Oxitec pulse oximeter. I think it measures oxygen as well. Okay, and this is bought from a pharmacy in Shanghai. Very electronic, made in China. No wonder it's cheap, but still 100 plus. So it measures what? Dual color LD. It measures SP02 oxygen, pulse rate, user friendly, or whatever. Here it is. Just a little meter. Yes. Got a meter, the receipt, and some battery, and a handle. And that's it. It needs a battery, 2 of them. So I'm gonna try this now. See how much oxygen in my blood. Supposed to be 97. You are okay. So battery is in. Close it. Turn it. Oximeter. Let me see. Put my finger in. Press the button. You cannot see it. I have to turn it this way. Oh. Cannot see the figure. It's a reflection. Reading 71. It's this way. Cannot see the figure. Oh yes, 98. Rate is 63. 98. Oxygen is okay. Thank you.